Hello everyone. Welcome to mywordbook.com. In today's video, I have a new word for you. Let's find out what it means and how you can use it on daily conversation. Unadulterated. It is an adjective. Basically, unadulterated means not mixed with impure or less pure substances. Let's take few examples of unadulterated.
Example 1.
I've never heard such unadulterated nonsense in my life.
Example 2.
For me, the holiday was sheer unadulterated pleasure.
Example 3.
Organic food is unadulterated food produced without artificial chemicals or pesticides.
Example 4.
These recipes are intended to be unadulterated bliss.
Example 5.
The unadulterated taste of pepper was strong and pure. That is the end of today's video. Kindly share your suggestions on comment box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.